Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump official meme coin on Bitget. Alright, so make sure you've opened up the Bitget mobile application and you have an account. So with your account on Bitget, how can you buy the Trump official meme coin? Your first step would be to click on the add funds option. So once you've clicked on add funds, you could go ahead to click on deposit crypto and simply deposit any cryptocurrencies you hold outside. Cryptocurrencies like the USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana can be deposited and converted into the Trump coin. All right, so if you do not have cryptocurrencies outside to deposit, you could as well make use of your credit or debit card, that's your Visa card, MasterCard, Google Pay, or Apple Pay to be able to get yourself some cryptocurrencies using your credit card. You could go with the P2P trading, which involves giving out your local currency for cryptocurrency. And there's also a bank transfer option, which works hand in hand with the P2P trading. If none of these work, you could go ahead and use third-party payment apps. Alright, so once you've gotten yourself some cryptocurrencies, simply click on the convert option at your top of your screen. Once you select the convert, where we have from USDT into another coin, simply replace the coin with the Trump coin. Use the search to search for Trump. Click on the Trump coin. And now with your available USDT, all you need to do is simply click on get quotes and you can simply convert your USDT into the Trump coin on Bitget. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.